Hr WorkDay. Mosh Bari's Hr WorkDay. Hr WorkDay, simple course to step-by-step $5K a month by working 1 hour per day. 15 top marketers shared their steps, plus a cloud-based software to 10x the results. Complete course in software biz in a box. Make $5K a month working 1 hour per day. Copy our exact formula we use to make $200K plus per month. Cloud-based, high-demand, automatic traffic generation software. $5K per month online for beginners by working only 1 hour per day with the most effective and specific set of tasks that gets you result and help you not get distracted and overwhelmed by shiny objects, social media and information overload. Customer will get a course and a cloud-based software. The course shows them simple way to make $5K per month by working 1 hour per day by using only few specific set of tasks. On top of that, we've asked 10 plus successful online entrepreneurs what would they do if they had only 1 hour per day to make $5K per month. We've got their valuable inputs and added them as a part of the product. The software. The cloud-hosted software drives traffic to your website and makes sales on complete autopilot by curating high-quality and viral content with a push of a button. What does it do? Helps beginners and professionals. Fastest and proven way to get results. Use Hr WorkDay to build your money website fast. Get traffic fast. Make money fast. Helps focus on what works and get results. Get rid of distractions. Benefits. Simple and step-by-step. Make your first $5K in 30 days without breaking a sweat. Finish your first online marketing project within hours. No wasting time. Make money online. Build a sustainable business online. Easily scale up. How does it work? Our customers have access to literally every information they need to succeed in online marketing. But they are overwhelmed and distracted. So, they fail to take action, fail to complete any project, and never get results. Hr WorkDay solves this problem completely. In the members area, customers get access to the exact way we run a $200K per month online business. We have a specific set of tasks that we perform on day-to-day basis. We've put the simplest tasks in step-by-step for beginners. Anyone can follow simple instructions. Follow the steps, complete the tasks on day-to-day basis, and get results fast and easy. The internet is all about content. Content is the king. Who has access to high-quality, unique content is able to get traffic, get attention and make money in many different ways. The cloud-based software solves that problem. Who is it for? For everyone who wants to make money online using the easiest way. Tips for beginners. It's for intermediate-level marketers. It's for advanced marketers. It's for everyone who wants our ready-made, done-for-you software as service ready to start selling and make money. Hr WorkDay. Mosh Bari's Hr WorkDay.